You think you've seen it all, think again. Welcome to amazing nature, where the Earth reveals its rarest secrets, one in a billion moments you won't believe are real. The landslide was powerful, but the dust cloud that followed was even more unbelievable. Everyone was watching, knowing the collapse was only a matter of time.
شهیدی میکنی زنگ به صورت بسیار بسیار باز آوازی پچنی ده ما گفته والا شل کرده
You never expect lightning to strike this close until it happens right in front of you. The ocean didn't stop at the shoreline. It covered Sea Point in waves and mountains of sea foam. It wasn't a fountain, it was thousands of liters of water forcing a manhole cover into the air. You know the storm is serious when the windshield doesn't just crack and explodes into pieces.
牛丼はすべてのサイズで30円高くなり、並盛りは
No matter how experienced you are behind the wheel, moments like this are almost impossible to prepare for. Out of everything Wiedmerglascher revealed that season, this was the moment people couldn't stop talking about. The most unbelievable part wasn't the flood, it was how normal everything beside it looked. As if the flooding wasn't enough, a tornado suddenly appeared, leaving residents with only seconds to escape. Nature doesn't always give people time to recover. No, there weren't actually 6 suns. This breathtaking display was created by sunlight interacting with ice crystals high in the atmosphere. You're looking at a phenomenon so rare that many people never get the chance to witness it in their lifetime ball lightning. This wasn't just floodwater, it was a fast-moving wall of mud racing through Switzerland. For many commuters, getting to work became the hardest part of the day, as flooded streets brought traffic to a halt.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. Oh my God!
as the Ohio River thawed, surging water carried massive sheets of ice logs and debris downstream in a powerful display of nature.
Whoa!
Even after making landfall typhoon, Jamie continued to unleash dangerous waves and severe weather across Japan's Pacific coast. After days of melting the majestic ice arch at Perito Moreno, Glacier collapsed in a thunderous display of nature's power. It's hard to imagine what was going through the driver's mind. Fortunately, everyone made it through safely. It looked like something from a movie, but this blazing object was real, and a dash cam caught it all.
Este es el cielo ahora mismo aquí en Paicota. Nunca había visto yo un cielo igual.
After nature showed its destructive side, it returned with a breathtaking display that seemed almost
Me da
unreal.
miedito, como parece de película. Fin del mundo.
Smells right.
Driving along mountain roads during heavy rain is always a gamble. You never know what might come down next.
तूफान के साथ साथ पत्थर भी पड़ रहा। अरे यार भाई और आगे
Deep inside a Svalbard ice cave one moment was enough to reveal how delicate this frozen world truly is. What looks like a frozen traffic jam is actually an ice jam forming in a Pennsylvania creek.
Uai, que esquadrão Niagara, ódio! Uai, que esquadrão Niagara sorrindo! Acho mais isso!
Mountain roads can become dangerous very quickly during the rainy season, so take extra precautions. It's safe to say those fans got much more than they expected that day. Storm season has arrived along Mexico's Pacific coast. These massive swells can travel hundreds of kilometers across the ocean before crashing ashore with little warning. Moments later, Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai unleashed one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in modern history.
Ya está la mitad del departamento de abajo. Creo que no hay nadie, pero Dios mío, todas sus cosas.
If you thought this was a river, take another look. It's a field of grass dancing with the wind. Sometimes the safest way to prevent a deadly avalanche is to trigger one before nature does. Walls of snow thundered down the mountainside as experts carried out a controlled avalanche near Mount Elbrus. It's not every flight that offers a view like this, a tornado forming beneath the aircraft. If you blinked, you might miss one, but there were so many whales breaching that it seemed the ocean itself was dancing.